Fáilte chuig tuirseach géiliúlachta fógraíochta alt de a. Welcome to the Compliance Portal for Section 10A, Advertising by Public Bodies. Assuming you've read the accompanying PDF document that explains the amendments we've made, this video will guide you through the new updates designed to make reporting easier and more accurate for data from 2026 to be reported in spring 2027. To repeat, this is not what you will be using this coming March, rather March 2027. And it won't be live until 2025 metrics have been submitted. We're distributing this now to assist and inform you as to the metrics you will be required to record and submit next year. So it's been more than 3 years since we issued advisory notes on Section 10A and 2 years since we launched the portal. Now, based on feedback from public bodies and 2 years of data analysis, we've introduced improvements to address key challenges. This hasn't been done in isolation, rather with the express cooperation and assistance from a cross-section of public bodies and with significant input from the advertising sector. Some supplementary advisory notes accompany this video. So, what's new from January 26? Well, let's have a look. From this email which you've received, you will have the link to the portal. You'll be familiar with the opening pages. Description of what the portal is for, and assuming we're happy with that, let's go ahead and make an application. You can use your previous login details or create a new profile. Email address. First name. Last name or surname. Password. Repeat, and it will save your registration. And again, here we go. Terms and conditions, and assuming that you accept, let's go ahead. Public body name. Public body phone number. And declaration that you do or do not advertise. To be clear, whether or not your organisation advertises, it is a statutory requirement to make a submission, even if nil. Supposing you do advertise, let's fill in the new submission. Next. So this is the 5% expenditure table. To complete this, we borrowed actual metrics from a public body with significant advertising expenditure, with its permission, of course. First, you will see that you are required to fill all available tabs with spend amounts for the media you have chosen, even if nil. You'll see some changes here. Irrelevant tabs have been removed. So let's input spend amounts, starting with video on demand. Social media, and there is no Irish language version, so we move on to digital audio. Digital display. Next, you'll see that we've broken out or separated print to both Irish language and English language. And we've done the same with radio, Irish language and English language. More about that on the next table. Fill in all the relevant tabs, even if nil or zero, where
relevant.
We continue to fill out these metrics and television expenditure. And here we go. And cinema. And obviously, again, there is no Irish language cinema outlet, so just the initial tab. And here we go. Final result, and it yields a percentage of 5.72 against the 5% threshold. So this is the 20% table. And as you'll see from the advice in the bold text at the top of the page, for the first 4 rows, you must choose the measure, impressions or 1 in 5. If you choose 1 in 5, you must enter 5 in the total and 1 in the Irish. Otherwise, the equation simply doesn't work. And you will see a column on the right that gives a percentage per medium, a percentage spend per medium. More about that in a while. It's to accommodate the weighting system that we are introducing into this threshold. So let's fill out this particular table, starting with video on demand. Choosing impressions, the total amount of impressions, and then the impressions of Irish language. Next, social media, 1 in 5. And again, this must be 5 and 1. Otherwise, again, the equation just simply won't work. Impressions for digital audio. And you will see the algorithm in the background. It is filling out the columns to the right. I will explain that in a moment. Digital display, impressions. And just like we did for the expenditure, we have separated or broken out Irish language print and English language print. Again, what we require here are insertions, the number of actual ads or ad insertions made. This negates all the data that was missing regarding readership or distribution. So actual insertions, Irish and English separately. Again, radio has been separated, and now we require you to document or to report spots booked. So these are again the number of spots booked in Irish language radio, English language radio. Out-of-home advertising, sites, and for television, TVR or TV rating points. And finally, cinema. And that is our 20% table. And you will note that we have achieved compliance. Now, just to explain it. So the percentage of Irish visibility is 35.87%, with an expenditure of 12.88% multiplied by one another. So those two percentages multiplied by each other, and it gives us 4.62. So that's the spend weighted visibility. We add all of those to arrive at the final 20.53%. Compliance. Next, some documentation to give us an example of the creatives used throughout the year. We may return to you looking for some more detail when we are in audit. And here we go. Summary. 5.72 against the 5% threshold and 20.53% against the 20% threshold. So this particular public body achieved compliance across both measures. Next. The application is valid. We're ready to submit and finish. At this end, you will receive an email confirming all that you have seen. So looking ahead, if you haven't read the attached PDF advisory notes, please do and re-watch the video. Metrics for 2026 will be reported in spring 2027 using Portal V2. Current metrics for 2025 will still be reported in spring of this year using the portal you used last year. And the metrics you now need to collect and record for print are insertions and spots for radio. We may return to you and ask for further evidence of various advertising or rotation schedules during audit. Remember though, this portal will not be available for 2025 data. When that data has been collected and collated at the end of March, OCT will then open this new portal. If you require any further assistance, email us 10a@commissioner.ie. Gurmila Malgov.